Nimna Constructions. A renowned name in Sri Lanka's construction industry, was founded almost 14 years ago by its managing director Mr. W.N.K. Waduge. Nimna Construction is an ISO 9001-2008 certified, ICTAD Grade C3 registered and Castle registered company. Over the years, the company has grown from strength, and today it has 7 subsidiaries under its umbrella. Our dedicated staffs competently handle all duties and responsibilities delegated to them, and this perfect combination of centralization with devolvement has given us success and client satisfaction. Project Upper Megalganga Mini Hydropower Project at Upper Malibota. Introduction to the project. We embarked on our project to construct the 2,400 kilowatt Upper Megalganga Mini Hydropower Project to a Level A facility as a result of winning a tender from our client Okanda Power Grid Private Limited, number 250-1, Torrington Avenue, Colombo 7. This project marked our milestone for 2011, requiring much all our expertise to do our best job for a community in need. Project data. Our challenge was to construct all the civil works of the powerhouse and the hydraulic structures of the Upper Megalganga Mini Hydropower Project within 356 days. We marked our first success by completing work on 15th of September 2011, the contract date. The total contract was valued at over 60.4 million rupee. Monex Private Limited acted as the structural designer of the project, and Okanda Power Grid Private Limited acted as the consultant to this project. We engaged reputed subcontractors to install the machineries and protection system, electrical work, aluminium work and waterproofing. The project was officially completed on 15th of September 2011. But the scheduled date of completion was 9th of June 2011. The time extension of 3 months as approved by the client after having inspections on reasons such as objections of the villagers, heavy rain with high water flows throughout the construction period, and lack of road facilities for heavy vehicles and machineries, Sinhala and Hindu New Year. Concept and scope. Construction of waterway from spillway to forebay. Construction of penstock. Civil work of powerhouse and hydraulic structures. The scope of work categorized under 2 main sectors, and the first scope involved the construction of a top-closed type canal of length 1.075 kilometers, width 1.2 meters, and height 1.2 meters, which was constructed using reinforced concrete. Construction was involved excavation in soil and blasting of rock, as many boulders exist at the proposed location. The headrace canal was a rectangular reinforced concrete canal with internal dimensions, 1.2 meters width, 1.2 meters height. The forebay tank of 11.6 meters long, 4 meters base width and 5.7 meters box-type structure, which was constructed using mass concrete. Length of the penstock was 368 meters, and construction was involved 8 numbers of anchors and penstock supporters. The overall size of the powerhouse was 22 meters. 8 meters powerhouse was constructed to suit the equipment manufacturer's requirements. machine floor was constructed at the maximum flood level corresponding to a 50 years period. Machine floor and the walls below flood level were in reinforced concrete. Pre-planning and site management. We recognize the importance of overall pre-planning to achieve success. The construction program developed using MS Project tool guided our every step. We also held detailed discussions on every aspect of the construction before going into construction. The project coordinator headed the team at the site, while a visiting team comprising of other managers and staff provided support from the head office. Other key officers assigned to the project were senior site engineer, assistant engineers, technical officers, quantity surveyors, a safety officer, administrative officer, draftsperson and storekeepers. Commencing the project. The project commenced on the 16th of June 2010 by making access roads, land acquisition, mobilizations, and earthworks. Labor pre-planning. The consultant and the client consented to our suggestion to recruit unskilled labor from the area itself, though it was initially a concern for discipline and security. This cut labor costs while involving the community in their own project, and was an advantage to all concerned. However, we had to incur cost in training the workforce. A few design changes were also agreed on, and we were able to proceed with the project without any hindrance. Work in progress. Though the structure itself was not complicated, from our past experience we knew that we would have to allocate more time for subcontracted work and finishes. To speed up the structural work, we used the same formwork system for all concreting works. The concrete slabs and columns were properly done, with proper leveling, and thereby kept the plastering and finishing to the minimum. Challenges. Due to the abnormal rain pattern to Madola area from June 2010 up to end of August 2011, it was not possible to continue with subgrade preparation, subsequent earth filling, excavations and concreting due to high water flows. Since Madola is recorded as the highest rainfall receiving area in lately, the biggest challenge faced by the project team was the quick increment of the water flow in the river. Constructions were stopped several times during the construction period. A good relationship with the residents, local authorities, religious entities, ruling parties, opposition parties etc. was maintained throughout the project period to prevent protests from the landowners with respect to land acquisitions and ongoing negotiations to finalize compensation for same. The other major challenge was the lack of enough road facilities to the site. We faced too many problems when long vehicle, other heavy machineries and equipments were reaching to the site. The elevation of the location is 600 meters above MSL, and it was also a big challenge to transport goods from Avissawella. Another challenge was difficulties in telecommunication. Because Upper Madola, situated in mountain area, and it was mainly influenced to maintain a connection with the head office and the site through telecommunication quality. The project team maintained stringent quality assurance control standards in accordance with the company quality management systems certified under ISO 9001-2008. All supply materials of the project were tested by reputable third-party inspection agencies before delivery. The client and consultant too carried out independent inspections at different stages. The team spirit displayed by all involved, every problem was discussed and resolved in a fast and amicable manner. All necessary safety equipments provided to workers and safety meetings were held regularly to educate them on the importance of safety. All employees and team leaders were educated on our policies and the dedication to safeguard the environment. They were constantly reminded to follow the regulations displayed at the site. Environment friendly. We recognize the importance of safe and environmentally friendly practices and comply with statutory requirements to ensure health and safety of the employees, the community and the environment. All employees and subcontractors were educated on our policies and the dedication to safeguard the environment. They were constantly reminded to follow the regulations displayed at the site. We are proud to mention here that we had completely stopped using lime in our construction well before the environmental authority imposed the restrictions. Safety. Daily safety meetings and safety records underscored our commitment to a safe and hazard-free site. The project coordinator and safety officers briefed all workers on correct methods and safety rules and precautions. Safety equipments were provided to workers depending on their needs, and on-site notices and signboards and visibility tapes were put up at all control zones. Fire extinguishers were placed at strategic locations. All security guards and key employees at the company are trained in using all types of fire extinguishers. The effort and expenditure on these measures are fully justified, as not a single major accident occurred at the site. Workers' welfare. Houses were leased out for officers, and essential facilities were provided at the site for workmen. Televisions were also provided, along with other recreational facilities for workers to spend their leisure time. Cleanliness. On a river nearby site, cleanliness and the environmental health became doubly important. All sanitary waste was disposed with the help of septic tanks with soakage pits connected to the main sewerage system, and were regularly cleaned out. To safeguard the workmen from mosquitoes and other insects, disinfections were arranged every week. It is worthy to mention that there were no cases of mosquito-borne diseases reported, and no significant time lost due to workmen falling sick. Conclusion. We believe that our project was a resounding success, as we were able to keep to our timelines successfully, despite various factors beyond our control affecting the progress. Overcoming all challenges, while maintaining a qualitatively superior site, and finishing a super-grade mini hydropower project within the stipulated time has given us immense satisfaction and confidence.